What's the meaning of above mentioned? Above mentioned. Above mentioned. Above mentioned. Above mentioned. Above mentioned. The term above mentioned is an adjective that refers to something that has been mentioned previously in the same text. It is typically used to avoid repeating yourself and to make your writing more concise. For example, you might say, the above-mentioned factors led to the company's decision to close its doors. This is more concise than saying, the factors that were mentioned earlier, namely the economic downturn and the decline in sales, led to the company's decision to close its doors. The term above mentioned can also be used to refer to specific people or things. For example, you might say, I spoke to the above-mentioned employee about the issue. This is more concise than saying, I spoke to the employee who was mentioned earlier about the issue. The term above mentioned is a formal term, and it is not typically used in informal writing.